Hey, this is T-Bird. I have not found a video that shows you how to change and locate the spare parts for the spare tires. So I am putting a video together for you guys. All right, so once you go into the trunk, clear everything out. This part comes off. Slide that out. Then you have this piece here you can lift up. And this will attach right to the edge of the trunk there on top there. And here's all your accessories, everything you need to change the tire. So first thing you do is take the strap off, squeeze that. Okay, and you take that apart, take that out. Okay, and this pops right off. Okay. Inside there you have the jack here that you need to lift the car up with. And you have a tool here for the lug nuts. And this is for special locks so no one can steal your tires, but there's one on every tire, so you're gonna need that. And this here is the crank that goes to this end right here. And you put that in there, and this is a little crank. All right, I'm just showing you guys where the parts are and how to put this thing back together. And here's a screwdriver, has reversible on the other end for a flathead. And you're going to need this pin here. This pulls the caps off the tires that are covering the lug nuts. All right, and I'm gonna show you how to put this all back together. Okay, so your spare tire is located here. What you're gonna have to do is take this off. It spins right off. Put that aside. A little thing there that spins on, and you pull the tire out. Okay, that's how you get a spare tire out. Okay, once you are done, and you need to put everything back together again, I'll show you how to do that. So once you put the tire back in, you got this little toggle here, but you want to put the strap in first. So I'm going to take the end without the buckle on it and go through the tire here, and it's going to come out this end here. So I need both hands to do that. So give me a second there. So fed the strap here between these holes here. Now, next thing you want to do, straighten the tire out. Make sure that's straight up. You're going to put this back on. Make sure you have the side with the nozzle, long nozzle here, going down. Spin that on there. Make sure that's tight with a snug tight. Okay, then you want to put all your other stuff back together. So put your pin in. It's going to go in here. It's a little hole. And like that. The screwdriver is back in there. Okay, and your wrench here, it's going to go down in here. Okay, special wheel lug nut lock goes in here. And your crank. Okay, crank goes right in there. Sorry about the video there. Kind of hard doing it with one hand. And you want to take this, you want to stick this in here into the big opening there. There's a small opening there, but into the big opening. It should drop right down for you. Okay, it's all together. And you put this right in the middle of the tire. And now you put your strap together. I'm going to need both hands for that, so hold on. All right, so put the strap together here. You want to take this in here. You know, put it through the middle hole slot there. You want to push this part down when you feed that through, so that way it gives it an opening. So it goes through there, and then it goes through the last loop there. And then you hold this down while you tighten it up. Okay, you got the strap down. You're gonna tighten it up by pulling it. Make sure it's in between here and here. Okay, and then you're all set. You close the top, and you're all done.